got my pan on. Just gonna wait for the water to boil so I can add my eggs. I'm sure at this day and age everyone knows how to cook eggs, so I don't need to go in details. But if you don't know how to boil eggs, my brother, my sister, contact me. I will show you. Hi guys, it's your girl Adelicious. So today I'm doing a voiceover my seafood boil. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Ladies and gentlemen, grab yourself a pen, a paper, a marker, a board, or your phone, or whatsoever you can write on, because it's gonna be a simple, easy recipe. If you're new here, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm still practicing my editing, so guys, bear with me. But I just want to say thank you for all your love and support. Stick around, there's gonna be so much more coming, and let's just have fun together, okay? And welcome to the family. So let's just get into today's video, guys. I know there's a lot of recipe out there for seafood boil, but I know this is the easiest. It's simple, it's straightforward, it's not rocket science, and I hope you guys like it. First thing first, make sure you devein your prawns and wash them properly. Then after your crabs, because I bought a frozen crab, so we defrost them, and now Chef Brenda is on it. She's washing them as well with some lemon. As you can see, we have divided our prawns and our crab because we're gonna steam them, but we're not going to steam them together because they both have different time of cooking. So we've got the prawns where Chef Brenda now is adding some jumbo Magie, which is like an all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, some Magie, some salt, and some butter. Do not add any water because once you steam them, there's going to be a lot of water coming out of it, so you don't need to add any more water. Just add the butter and just let it steam. We're going to apply the same seasoning on the crab, some paprika, some fish seasoning, some butter, some Magie, some salt, and mix it together and just let it steam. So we've got our crab and our prawns going. Chef Lina is getting ready for the gravy. So she's just chopping some onion, some garlic, a lot of garlic, guys, and some chili. So we've got our crab and our prawns ready. So we're gonna pass it through our sieve, both crabs and the prawns. Then we can mix it together. So into a pan, add a lot of butter, melt it down. You can melt it down in the pan, or you can melt it down in the microwave, or you can leave it overnight if you're planning to do it on the next day. Then add your onion, your garlic, your chili, and just let it cook. After, you're gonna have quite a lot of paprika because that's what's gonna change the color. So our seasoning we're gonna use for the gravy are paprika, quite a lot, some cajun spice, some Magie, some all-purpose seasoning, some salt, some parsley, and just leave it to simmer down. So now we've got our gravy going, we're gonna move on to the potato, the corn. So there's a different way you can do that. You can either cook your potato and your corn into the gravy, but we've decided to cook it on a separate pan. So this is what you do. Make sure you wash your potato, please. Okay, so get a pan, put some water in there, add some salt, let it boil, and then after you add your corn and your potato and let it cook. As you can see, Chef Brenda is on it. She's mixing it together. Now the gravy is ready. She's just gonna add it and just combine everything together. Oh my god, guys, look at how good this is looking. Chef Brenda is adding a little bit of the aroma, mixing it together. Ooh, what happened? God, oh my god, oh my god, guys, look at this. Obviously there's much more you can add to your seafood, like a snow crab, you know, that ones with the long legs, you know. You can add some lobster, but obviously we didn't go that extra. We just wanted something simple, but trust me, it tastes so good. as you can see, and it looks so good. It's a very easy recipe. It was done with so much love. Thanks to the girls for coming over and pulling this through. I hope you guys love my seafood. Stay tuned for more cooking videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until my next video, hasta la vista, baby.